Oh my gosh, guys, as you can see, I have LuluBox Plus Plus on both my iPhone and my Android. This is an insane modded version. If you don't know what LuluBox is, it pretty much lets you get mods for a bunch of different apps and games. It lets you make like alternate versions of the game. You can have like 2 games running at the same time. So I'm just going to open it. And as you can see right here, once it loads, let me just give it a second. All right, it's loading right now. So as you can see, you got all the different games you can pick from, and you can basically install like 2 versions of it. You can have like a parallel. You can also add games, and of course you can download mods for the games, which is super neat. So for instance, this game Garena Free Fire, you can get a mod with fashion skin, gun, and game tools. So you can go ahead and like disable notifications while you're playing. So I'm going to show you to get this on iPhone and Android. So for iPhone users, swipe down on Control Center and just make sure the portrait orientation lock is off. And once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and open up Settings. And once you're in there, there's a few things you have to do. So first, go down to Battery and make sure low power mode is off. You'll know this is on because your battery percentage will turn yellow, so make sure low power mode is switched off. And once you've done that, all you have to do is go up to the General section and find this option called Background App Refresh. And all you have to do is make sure this is on. This should be on, but if it is off, turn it on. You can have it on either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It really doesn't matter. And once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and find this third and final setting, which is down in the App Store section. So the setting we're looking for is called Automatic Downloads, and we have to make sure that this is on. So make sure it's on, and once you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go to this amazing website. Let me just go ahead and go to my browser. This site's got a ton of different mods. So once you're on the site, what you want to do is go to the search bar and type in LuluBox. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go up here to the search bar and I'm just going to type it in. So let me do that. And as you can see, it comes right up, LuluBox Plus Plus. So in order to actually download the app, all you have to do is go ahead and press on it. So let me do that. And once you press on it, it's going to show a button that says Start Injection. So click that and it will download straight onto your device. Now, I'm not going to go through with the download since I already have this on my iPhone, but obviously you guys will. So now I'm going to show you how to get this if you have an Android phone, because the guide for Android is a little bit different. So as you can see, I have it on my Android. And if you want to get it on yours, there's a few things you have to do. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that this thing called Auto Rotate Screen is turned on. You can get that by the notification panel. And once you've done that, open up Settings, and you just need to go down to the Battery section. So go to Battery and make sure that any power saving mode you have is turned off. This will not work if it is on, so make sure it's off. So as you can see, for instance, mine just says power saving mode. So once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and go with the same website as on iPhone. So let me just type that in for you guys. Remember, the website what you want to do is go to the search bar and type in LuluBox. The site is pretty much the same on both iPhone and Android, so there's no compatibility problems. So what I'm going to do is go up to that search bar and type it in. So LuluBox, and as you can see, there it is, LuluBox Plus Plus. Now, in order to download it, just press on it, press Start Injection, and it should download right away. I'm not going to go through with the download since I already have this on my Android, but I hope you guys enjoyed this insane video on how to get LuluBox Plus Plus on both your iPhone and your Android completely for free. Peace out.